And my sister is still sleeping. Here's the cake that my mommy brought. Then we're gonna surprise her. And let's go. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, this is my mommy. She is here because she's wanting to see my sister surprising. Here she is. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Ganito na.
Yan naman si Ichayo.
Ganito. To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, may I blow, oh.
Wish muna.
Ay, oh, pikit pa, oh. Oh, nag-blow agad. Nag-blow agad. Ano masasabi?
Kay mami. Ano sasabihin mo kay mami? Kanina ba yun? Kay mami. Ha? Po?
Hindi ko makita. Bebe, na-surprise ka?
Opo.
Thank you, mami.
Ano sasabihin
Kanino
mo kay
daw
mami?
yung cake?
Kanina yung... Ano sasabi mo kay mami?
Ikita mo. Basahin mo. Basahin mo yung nakalagay.
Thank you, mami. What I says, happy birthday.
Basahin mo daw.
From mom.